When it comes to content editing, two big names often come up: Surfer SEO and Copy.ai. Both offer AI-driven solutions, but they cater to slightly different needs. So, which one actually delivers the best value when it comes to content editing? Let's dive into it. First off, let's talk about Surfer SEO. Known for its ability to optimize content for search engines, Surfer SEO's primary strength lies in its integration with keyword research and on-page optimization. It helps you create content that's not only readable, but also ranks better in search engines by aligning your writing with SEO best practices. Surfer SEO's content editor uses data-driven insights to help you structure your content for maximum visibility. The second thing worth mentioning is Copy.ai. Unlike Surfer SEO, Copy.ai isn't primarily focused on SEO, but rather on generating high-quality written content. It excels in writing blog posts, ads, product descriptions, and more, with AI-powered templates designed to create copy quickly. While it's not a full SEO tool like Surfer SEO, Copy.ai does provide basic keyword support and some degree of optimization for readability. It's all about efficiency here. Next, we should look at the actual content editing features. Surfer SEO offers a robust content editor that can guide you in writing based on what works in your niche. The tool will suggest adding certain keywords or adjusting the structure of your article. However, it doesn't provide as much flexibility in creative writing or brainstorming new ideas. It's more of a guide than a creator, making it perfect for writers who want their content to perform well in SEO but aren't necessarily looking for creative flair. Copy.ai, on the other hand, provides more creativity in its writing. With its templates and content generation capabilities, it can quickly provide you with multiple versions of a blog post or even an email sequence. While it lacks the deep SEO focus that Surfer SEO offers, it does help you speed up the content creation process. The AI here is smart enough to generate persuasive and engaging copy, but its content editing tools are not as focused on optimization for search engines. The fourth thing we need to consider is ease of use. Surfer SEO's interface is pretty straightforward, but it's more data heavy and can overwhelm beginners. You need to understand SEO basics to fully leverage it. On the other hand, Copy.ai's user interface is incredibly intuitive, even for beginners. It doesn't require a deep understanding of content marketing or SEO to start producing decent results. Now, let's get into performance. Surfer SEO's data-driven approach helps you refine your content for ranking, but you'll need to tweak and revise content yourself based on its recommendations. It doesn't automate the entire content creation process. Copy.ai, however, can generate entire pieces of content quickly, but you'll have to fact-check and ensure the output aligns with your specific goals, especially if you need SEO optimization. The next thing to consider is pricing. Surfer SEO's pricing can get a little high, especially for beginners or small businesses. But the value you get in return, particularly for SEO purposes, can justify the cost. Copy.ai, in contrast, offers more affordable plans for people looking to create content quickly without investing too heavily in SEO. Finally, it's clear that Surfer SEO is the tool to go for if your main goal is SEO optimization and ensuring your content ranks. It excels in providing real-time optimization insights and helps you craft content that performs in search. But if you need to turn out blog posts, product descriptions, or creative copy quickly, Copy.ai offers a much faster and more flexible solution. While both Surfer SEO and Copy.ai are solid options, they cater to different needs. Surfer SEO is best for SEO-focused content editing, while Copy.ai is great for speeding up the content creation process. However, after trying both tools myself, I believe there's a better alternative out there for those focused on content editing. If you're looking for something that blends content editing with advanced features at a great value, I recommend you try the tool in the first link in the description. It offers a free trial, and through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on this better option for your content editing needs.